Hello, good morning, respected dear student. Today, my topic is the Swachh movement in the continuous author Arun Baroka. The form order of the odd pulse related to the Swachh Bharat mission SBM become a world largest behavior the change program in this India, and as result, it is the achieved thus similarly the impossible by Hope Talk by become the open different to free in the 5 years. It could not be happened due to the relationship of the Prime Minister and the mission by the turned by into the Jal and Roland Apple by the moment. With 130 crore of people from this work on the life contributing in this making of this program in the grand success. This paragraph sentence Bharat mission was largest behavior in the change of the program in the India, but result to in the achieving the similarly by possible of the and depend on the 5 year plans related to by this happened by leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi Jal Jeevan Mission, by Swachh Bharat Mission and leadership and control the 130 crore people of the world life contributed the making program and different the successful people in India. As a result of the mission of the rural sanitation by the coverage increased the 38.7% of the 2014 related to the 100% by the 2019, but covered the 10.25 total toilet built by Aeros the India and the state by the district of the declared them several ODF as well as the bill supported by the investment by the RS 130,000 crore the government for eligible by a householder 12,000 were provided as incentive for the contract in this toilet. So related to the 2014 100% by the real in the 2019. But cover the 10.25 crore the toilet in the build the arrows the India people all stressed, all state and district. But declared by the as well as 130 crore thousand of the crore and the government for eligible by the householder, each householder the 12,000 rupees in the provide the incentive by contracted by the toilet. So various global agencies by the UNICEF, by the World Health Organization, BMGF, they leveraged by the other having estimate by the significant of the economic, educational, environment and health, social impact by the Swachh Bharat Mission ODF achievements. India achieved by the SDG to goal of the 6.2 related to declared by the United Nations of the problem by SAFE 11 year and the target by the 2013 30. So related to the different types of agency, UNICEF, World Health Organization, BMG of Daily Bridge, other agencies said that economics, education and environment, health by social development. In fact, the related to the Swachh Bharat mission and all agency development by the achievement the goal Swachh Bharat Swachh mission and related to by the target of this goal 6.2 declared by United Nations and 11-year target and the target for 2030 and development of the country. The 2nd October 2019, the Swachh Bharat Mission movement was October 2nd October Mahatma Gandhi anniversary the 115. So related to the Prime Minister said that the October 2nd October 2019. Ahmedabad was the occasion of the 150th birthday anniversary of the Mahatma Gandhi. But now the question is the whatever by the we have achieved when the enough. No, the answer is just simple and clear. But you have to achieve today, you should not be a stretch. Only one level our journey toward unclean India continue by the unheaded. This paragraph said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, 2nd October 2019, in Ahmedabad, related to one occasion. And birth occasion name is 150 birth anniversary of the Mahatma Gandhi. Related to announcement by this, we have achieved in this that enough. No, no, I have no enough this. Only clean, a simple, clean and simple answer and clean, but we have achievement that today you just stray. So journey was toward the Indian continue by the unpledged. But February 2020 in cabinet approved by the second by Swachh Bharat mission. Second phase by Gram Swachh Bharat Mission Gram SBMG. It is by the total outflow by the 140,881 crore of the focus on the soul of the liquid waste of the management, and then the suitable by the ability of the ODF status. At about the same time of the 15th Finance Commission. 15th Finance Commission reported said that 2020-2021 was related to the provide the much of the needed to the target of the sanitation of the rural local body. So local body phase second of the Swachh Bharat Mission Gram. It is the planet by the novel model. But the coverage between the different vertical of the financing of the various scheme by the central and the state government. But this is the applied to the 2020-2021 related to the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin and related to development of 15th Finance Commission. 15th Finance Commission report said that any types of the second phase and development the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin planned to the novel model and state government and the central government various type of the scheme influence the related to this state. So department of the drinking of the water of the sanitation of this implementation of the mission. So more by the 2020-2021 related to the 2024-25 phase second was provide this input by the rural economy thought by the construction of the householder. Toilet of the need to the based on the community solids by the complex of the as well as the infrastructure of the solid in liquid the wasted management, such as the component by the pit of the sack pit waste establishment by the pound of the biogas plant to material recovery factory by etc. SBM by second of the odd to ODF plus. Related to by the key of the picture by the SBDM phase of the CM by the village arrows by India ODF plus village of the SDF by village of the village that sustained by the open definition by this status. The management of the varially by clean. Fifth second by SB Swachh Bharat Mission. Visually by clearness by the also depend on the village of the called virtual by clean it not be latest by 80%. Household or public place have been minimal by the latter to mineral exchange water and the village does not have any plastic waste dam. Role of the Panchayat Raj institution and PLPRIS. Role of rural Panchayat Raj institutions. Related to the Indian Constitution 73 Amendment Act the 1992 and session by the including the 11th schedule of the before the Gram Panchayat GP and provide by the implementation of the Swachh Bharat Mission Gram cutting by the age PRI of this rule of the Panchayat Raj institution but play on the even greater than the very important role in the fifth second. So related to the 15th Finance Commission status institution or committee of the Gram Panchayat framework by the opportunity the within program. But each Gram Panchayat expected by the development by village Swachh plan and the financial year. Take the GPDP of planning of the principle designed by the software. So as well as BDM by GMSI revising by the fund subject comfortable by state agreements. Contributing by the for the resources of financing of community Toilet of the SLWM infrastructure are the important role of the PRIS. So monitoring by the evolution. DDW is led by the monitoring by the evolution of the Swachh Bharat Mission Phase 2 and work of the coordination by which is the state and union territory state depend on this district. But monitoring to the evolution of the two aspects by the first ensuring the status of the ODF. For the village of the second of that we created the asset by the expenditure of the increase related to the monitoring by the framework of the should be able to identify the whether to acute by the ICF of the activity to have not be carried out of the behavior change. But ODF status and village are sustained by the acute of the SLWM has been inserted to the village individually by clean. So monitoring activity amid by two attendment to related to the program results, but efficiently by affected by timeline including the dependent on the assessments, provide review and visit of the thematic concentration of the asset the program related to this monitoring, but quality by the outcomes by current time output progress provide the operational guidelines. But their name way of the format the DDWS related to the work of the toward the management. Biograph deal able by waste, animal waste, Govardhan. Plastic waste management related to aspect of the waste of the two with the wealth of the along the liquid waste management that including by this gear to variable facial and management state by the district have been not started earlier to planning to work of the toward the thought goal of this the new kind of the ethos lesson by the dynamic of the village able to lead to surprise of the India how helpful the like ODF related to will we not achieve this power of the goal ODF Pulse in the 2025 Swachh Bharat Swachhta momentum by the accelerates. Thank you.